Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Yesterday we saw some sell-off in the corn and the beans and the wheat. Some people thought that we had reached a price, the market was overbought, and it might have been a little profit taking going on. Overnight, the big news is that some people are confirming that the Chinese government has given the approval for Chinese crushers to come in and buy 10 million tons of U.S. soybeans duty-free. Some people think that 1 to 1.5 million tons already has been done. Beans are up 10 cents, wheat's up 6, and corn's up 4. There's also some rumors floating around that corn and wheat could also be part of this purchase, but no confirmation on that at all. So again, yesterday we saw some people bullish. Beans thinking they're going to go higher, number one, because the crop could be smaller, but number two, that China might come in and buy more beans. So when we look at the chart, the next resistance in November beans is 9.70. You trade over that and you go to $10. So again, Hightower yesterday was talking about a carry out in beans as low as 3.30. And so that would suggest that at some point in time, let's say between now and the next Brazilian harvest, which is probably March or April, we could test the $10 price level in the nearby beans. As far as USDA numbers are concerned, the USDA estimated corn harvest at 30% done versus 47 average. Crop is still rated 56% good to excellent versus 60 last year. Bean harvest is 46% done versus 64 average. And it looks like the farmers, when they were in the fields, were focusing more on the beans than the corn. The corn crop is still taking a long time to dry down to a moisture level that is acceptable for harvest and acceptable to be stored and acceptable to be bought by the commercials. The spring wheat harvest is 96% done. That 4% may be gone because of the weather that we've seen recently. And the winter wheat planting is 77% done versus 65 average. There's a lot of talk that from a winter wheat perspective, farmers may plant less wheat next year because of the ongoing lower price action and the fact that globally more buyers are buying from like the Black Sea than they are the United States. Weather-wise, it looks like there's a rain system now. Looks like we're going to be cool and dry for the next 6 to 10 days, which should help harvest. Then after that, the 6 to 10 day is actually calling for very cold temperatures and moisture normal to above. Down in South America, it looks like the rainy season is beginning in Brazil, and that Brazil and Argentina both could see normal weather over the next 2 weeks. So we've got some demand to push beans up, and corn and wheat is following. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM and ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.